Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to collect Uncle Nelson's stash near the skate park. First, head to the old skate park, which is usually found on the outskirts of town. Once there, find the largest concrete ramp, typically located on the western side. Carefully examine the base of this ramp for a loose brick. It should be about 2 feet up from the ground. This brick holds your very first clue to the treasure. Once you've found that loose brick, gently pull it out. Inside, you'll discover a small, carefully folded note. This note contains your next vital piece of information, guiding you to a specific landmark, a weeping willow tree. From the ramp, take exactly 50 paces directly north. This precise count is crucial for finding the next stage of your adventure. Upon reaching the weeping willow, observe its base closely. You're looking for 3 prominent roots that naturally form a triangular shape on the ground. Within the very center of this root triangle, you'll need to dig down. Go about 6 inches deep, and you should soon feel a solid object. This is the waterproof container holding Uncle Nelson's long-hidden stash. The container you found is typically a sturdy metal box, measuring approximately 8 inches long by 4 inches wide. Inside, the contents can vary, but often include old coins, a faded, hand-drawn map, or perhaps a sentimental item from Uncle Nelson. After you've explored its contents, remember to carefully rebury the container to preserve the secret for future adventurers or for Uncle Nelson himself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.